Blockchains are a new paradigm for back office teams.
So we have to be more than accountants.
Blockchain reconciliation controls between your books and what happens on chain.
Just to give you a little bit of a picture of what the FASB is like.
Maybe 75, maybe 80% of Congress have no idea what we're talking about.
Oh, I want to counter that.
The SEC couldn't use the rationale that it used to deny the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust from becoming an ETP or an ETF.
I think moral of the story, if you're afraid of your taxes, use Cryptio.
Absolutely.